Hello everyone, I am back again with a new video. This time around I am going to show you how to use your new iPhone 10 in a better way, some tips and tricks so that the use becomes easier and more friendly. First of all, let's see the touchscreen. So, the most important thing is there is touch to wake. You can wake the phone with just one touch. Swipe up to unlock. Now, this is what everyone knows, but now the most important part, how to use the phone. First, let's open some app. This app. Okay. Let's open the camera. Okay. Let's open the wallet. Okay. Let's open the App Store. Now in the App Store, let's say you are going down, you're going down, you're going down. You scroll right down, and if you want to go up again, what do? In this case, just touch anywhere on the screen on the top, and you can go up. Most of the people will use the phone with one hand, and it's difficult for an average person to reach the phone right to the top for the notification center. In that case, what you can do is you can do this and it will come down. Now, what is this? This is a feature which you can activate. Why? It is called Reachability. You go to General, you go to Accessibility and start the Reachability. If you do this, then when you swipe down the home button, the apps come down. Now, let's assume you want to go to the previous app that you had opened. The easiest way is to just swipe left, and you'll go to the previous app that you'd gone to. Isn't it simple? You want to go to the app that was before this, you can go to swipe right. But just one app. While you can go to as many apps as possible on the back screen. Let's say you go here. Just swipe left and the app starts again. Now, for the most important part, how do you close the app? So one thing is, you just open up all the apps. Press on the app. When you see the minus sign, you can just swipe up and close the app. Or the other way is, let's say you want to close the app. Just press this, open this, and this will just close the app. Now, for the most important part, let's say a lot of people don't know how to switch off the phone. For switching off the phone, you need to use your lock key and the volume key. You press both. That one press will take the screenshot, and a long press would switch off your phone. Now, the most important part is, let's say you're going in a party where you don't want others to touch your phone, and even if they touch, you don't want them to somehow use the Face ID on this. You can just use this option. And now if you want to log in, you have to compulsorily put in your password, and without that it will not open. So this features comes in handy when you want to technically disable the face ID so that no one else can take advantage of your Face ID. Apart from that, some few tips are, if you want to directly call SOS, press the volume down and the lock key. Keep it pressing. See, it is calling SOS. If I leave it, then it will not. Now, if you have any questions, any queries, any features that you would like me to discuss, do let me know. And I would definitely try and answer your questions. As far as the notification screen is concerned, it is different. is different than the iPhones that you've used. So it might just take a little time to get used to, but this is an amazing phone, by far the best iPhone ever. The screen is amazing, the camera quality is amazing, and it is fast. It is very, very, very fast. Do let me know if you have any questions, any queries. I would be glad to answer all your questions. And also subscribe and like my channel. My channel's name is Monal Nitin Parikh. My name is Monal Nitin Parikh. Do like it and share if you like my video. Thank you.